Rye's project here is to demolish the 55-acre Kodak factory, remediate it and stabilise it, ready for Barrett's to build their new homes. Currently we've got 15 to 20 machines on site, ranging from 13 tonne to 50 tonne. We're roughly using 4,000 litres of red diesel a day because of the size of the machines. If we run out of diesel on this site, it's a very big challenge because obviously parking up machines, we're losing production. The reason we're using Certas Energy on this site is because we get a good service of them, which works for me. We get a phone call roughly 15-20 minutes before they arrive on site. They come in, they fill up my diesel bowser, and then he leaves site. My tractor will take it around, fill every one of my machines up. It works for us. Very reliable company, and they keep our site moving.